Hi there! Today I am going to be painting a poinsettia on Yupo paper. Recently I attended a brand ambassador workshop with Holbein paints and Legion papers, and in that paper that I tried was Yupo paper. So I was able to try Holbein paints on Yupo paper for the first time. I had used it previously with alcohol inks, but never watercolor. And I thought, well, I don't know if I'm going to like this, but I'm going to give it a try. And I painted a cute little scene with flowers popping up, little cone flowers, and I really liked it. I liked how loose it looked. So I decided today to try a poinsettia. I am using core watercolors and just kind of winging it. You know, I didn't draw my outline on my paper. I don't even know if you can draw on this, honestly. If that would mess up the watercolor, I don't know, but I'm just loosely putting it in there. And I really like what it's doing so far. There are a couple times over the course of this that I think, I wonder if I should have stopped. And it is possible. You'll have to let me know what you think. Because I do definitely add more detail as I go along, and as it dries, you can add more detail. But also the really cool thing about this is that if I didn't like it at all at the end, you can just wash it away. I find that very interesting. So here it is. Here's my poinsettia in the works. I did have a reference photo, but it was very loosely based on a reference. This is nothing like the picture in the end. It was just the idea of, you know, where should the leaves be? What color is the center of the poinsettia and things like that. So let me know what you think.